Here we are, Soapstone Mountain, and this seems to be a communal spot. Hike with Mike Harrington himself. Lots of trash everywhere. This is crazy. We've been picking up a little bit of trash on the trail, but there is a ton. This would need a couple hours to actually clean up and take everything. Air conditioner over there. A little bit overwhelming, but take what you can. That's a collection so far. Here we are back at the party campsite, looking a lot better. Got 2 bags there. Mike Harrington. Another bag there. If you looked before, there are cans just like this everywhere. Now it's actually starting to look a little bit better. Air conditioner that is not gonna come out with us.